Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making a rolling cart for the new Evolution Mitering chop saw. So what I'll be using is just some scrap steel I got laying around, and right now what I got laying around is some 3-inch channel. So without further ado, I'll get right into the build. Alright, so we got the cart built. I got it on, I believe they're 5-inch casters that I picked up from Home Depot. As you can see, got it mounted on. So I built this all out of 3-inch C-channel. The nice thing with that is I already had the steel, I didn't have to go buy any. So the way I built it is I actually used this saw to cut everything. And the frame itself is roughly 31 by 18.5 for the upper portion. And then the bottom part of the frame is 30 by 30, and then the legs are 24 inches with a 15-degree angle cut on them to make the cart just a little bit wider at the front. So the other thing we did, see if we can get it on camera here, is I left the cart itself open. So there's actually no tabletop like up in here. And the reason I did that is that way the chips from when you're cutting, nothing builds up underneath the saw. It's easy to clean up, easy clean up, get the tool put away when you're done. Now I don't have a big shop, so most of the cutting we do is outside. And then our little shop we got a converted Conex box, so I need to be able to roll my tools in at the end of the day and lock them up. So this little cart seems to work. I believe it's going to make life a lot easier. I really love this saw. I use this saw to build this cart, to cut all the steel. It made it easy, especially being able to hit your angles and locking in at 45s. And then for the legs, I was able just to set it at 15 degrees and get that angle that I needed to make the cart a little wider on the base. And the reason is that way it doesn't want to tip at all forward or back as you're using the saw. So, but yeah, other than that, I'm really pleased with it. I definitely love using the saw. It's made life a lot easier. Highly recommend picking one up if you can. So I'll leave a link in the description below for the saw. Also extra blade. The casters I picked up from Home Depot. I'm pretty sure you can get them anywhere. Alright, thanks for watching. Sorry this wasn't really a how-to to build a cart. I mean, I think most people get the gist of it. I was just fabricated up a cart. This is just an idea, one way of doing it. I know a lot of guys will mount this to a workbench. I wanted it mobile so I can use it in and out of the shop. I really don't have a workshop right at this moment, so it's nice being able to roll it out of our storage shop and out into the yard or driveway, wherever I'm going to be cutting steel. So other than that, I'm really happy with the saw. Highly recommend getting one if you can. Makes life so much easier, especially doing miter cuts. Makes it a lot faster. Having all the extra clamps on there is a nice feature also. But other than that, thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.